NPRC cash days. Been out here for a little while. I actually made a couple of test passes already, and on my third test pass I pretty much totaled my car, broke this spacer for the bulkhead right here, so I'm out of the race for today. Bent this whole front end of the chassis. I was making a pass in the left lane, and I got a little out of shape, and I hit a cone going like 65 miles an hour. I'm gonna sit around here and record the rest of the event for you guys so I can show it to you, but I'm not gonna be going rounds in this event.
That's basically what it's cost for me. So that's kind of where I've been for the last couple of months, dealing with the economic impact of my fucked up life. But I got this, man. I did an MRI to the doctor tomorrow. That's it, Dino. Way to drive it, Dino.
Is he going to Scotty's race or New York class? Straight line shootout in Milwaukee.
So, I'm gonna go over everything, the driver's meeting and everything. So, I'll make this clear. First or worse. What does that mean? You can red light, that's fine. The person next to you, if you red light or the person next to you makes a pass and they hit the equipment, the track equipment, automatic DNF. So, the worst thing you can do is hit the track equipment. You know, most of you guys already been doing this, so you guys already know. Obviously, whoever does, you know, the worst is the first to be out.
Cross, we know we're hitting the track equipment.
Say again?
What if the other guy red lights, the other guy crosses, but don't hit the track equipment?
The red light's the first move. So if you red light and the guy makes pass, crosses, whatever, besides hitting the DTS, the person that red light stops first.
Okay.
Alright?
Worst will be hitting the equipment.
Yeah, worst would be hitting the equipment. So, like I said, I already got that one. Hit the DTS, automatic EQ.
Cones considered equipment.
Say what?
Cones considered equipment.
Cones considered equipment. So, try not to hit it. Tires on the line. So as soon as you guys are gonna get ready, so first do your burnouts, and then don't stage it. Do your burnouts, whatever you gotta do, and I'm gonna whenever I ask both of you guys are ready, I'm gonna hit the starter, and then you guys can stage. Remember, tire on the line. Don't worry about looking at the tree. Don't mess with the bumper. Just put your tire on the line, and it's gonna be perfectly set. As soon as somebody stages, it's not gonna start the timer just yet. As soon as you flash the other lane, it's gonna count the 8-second timer. So you guys just be ready for that, because don't run back, so just straight up. It is what it is, you know. It's an 8-second timer, so like I said, you know, guys, once you guys stage, 8 seconds in the count. Be ready when I call you guys up. As soon as I get everybody lined up, I'm gonna call you guys in order. I'm gonna at least have the first 3 ready. Once I knock them out, I'm gonna get the other guys ready, just so we can make everything smooth and easy. I'm gonna give you guys 5 to 10 minutes, depending on everybody who's cool with it. 5, I'll even push 15 if everyone's cool with it. Just as long as you guys are cool with it. Like I said, burnouts, do burnouts first. $10 buyback first round only for all the classes. So once you lose, first round, $10 buyback, and you guys get put back in. And last one is no testing on the track once we start. So once we get it all going, no more testing. You guys can test on that side. You guys can test right there, but don't test on that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clean up the track. I'm gonna give everybody time to charge up or whatever. Once I clear the track, I'm gonna call everybody back up. We're gonna throw, but I'm gonna call you guys back over here so I can write everybody's name, and we're gonna draw cards. And then once we draw cards, I'll tell everybody who's racing who, and I'll start getting who ready, and then everybody starts coming up. Any questions? Everyone's good, clear? All right.
He was out late last night. You know those days, right? 5 o'clock in the morning.
Didn't affect me, man.
Oh, I can't do it anymore. That shit's over with. Which one's lane choice?
Red.
Red?
Red is right.
Okay.
Red is right lane.
Red is right.
I get 2 of them.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I got 3.
Red is right.
Yeah.
everybody got cards? Hey, you guys. On the line. Keep going, Dino. Keep going. He's good. Ivan. Alright, watch the light, guys. start it. Remember, tires on the line, guys. Tires on the line. He already did. He already did. Keep going, Dino. Keep going. Dino, keep going. All right. Stage. Watch the light. I'll give you a change now. Oof, good driving though. Good driving. Ready? Stage them. Alex is stage. Tony stage. Watch the light, guys. Oh, sorry about that, bro. Yuli staged. Albert. Push it forward, push it forward, push it forward. Watch the light. Rocky staged. Swan staged. Watch the light. At least you drove it though. Good driving. Alright, you guys ready? Stage. Quan, keep going. Quan is staged.
Ready?
Albert, you're staged. Watch the light, guys.
Double red light.
Thank God for the tree though. Ivan, back it out. Alright. You guys ready? Tire on the line. Watch the light, fellas.
Nice run, guys.
That was a good run though. Ready? Tire on the line. Keep going, Dino.
Come on, Dino.
Okay.
Sorry, bud.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep going a little bit.
Watch the light. Watch the light. Oh! Ooh!
Oh!
2-1.
Oh!
Yeah.
Is this the buy run?
Yeah. Tire on the line. Tires. Yuli staged. Swan is staged. Watch the light, guys.
Good shit!
Oof. That was a race. Good race. It's ready to go. You're in. Both of you guys are in. Watch the light.
Ooh, stay in!
Oh, he got me, mother.
Ready?
Yeah, it's ready for you. Watch the light. Very nice. Watch out, watch out. Alright, the beam is ready.
Ready?
Quan is in the beams. Albert's in the beams. Watch the light, guys. Good race, guys. Good race.
Ready?
Yep, it's ready for you guys. Tony's in the beams. Ivan's in the beams. Watch the light, guys. Good luck. Yep, we're ready for you guys. Rocky stage. Dino is staged. Watch the light, fellas. Oh man.
Son of a bitch, man. This is not my day.
ready, guys. Sorry about that. Tony stage, Rocky stage. Giggity, giggity, giggity.
Ooh, good pass, Rocky.
That tree.
Go forward, Dino.
There you go. Watch the light, guys.
red leg.
15-5 final. Watch the light, guys. Woo! Good job, Rocky.
Watch out.
Good job, Rocky.
That big end, though.
Another winner.
Alright guys, so that's it for the race. Congratulations to Tony and Rocky for their first place finishes in Street Outlaw and 13.5. Obviously I gotta go back to the lab with my car and get the thing fixed up because I kind of totaled it, but I'll be back out soon. If you guys like this content, please hit the like. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this. This is a hobby I've been doing on the side. I just haven't showed you guys, but if you're down with this and you like it, I'll put up more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.